So what actually are trade plates? Because if ever you've seen a car driving around with a weird red number plate, your first thought is usually, that looks suspicious. Normally, every single car needs taxing individually. And apparently someone somewhere looked at the paperwork and thought, nah, can't be bothered with that. Let's create trade plates. Cut the paperwork, speed up everything, and somehow still charge more money. So that's why trade plates came in. They're special plates used for motor trade so they can legally drive untaxed vehicles on the road. Basically, instead of taxing every single vehicle, they just slap these magic red plates on. Honestly, that's basically the system. Trade plates allow motor trades to move vehicles around the UK without having tax every single one individually, which means cars can be delivered to customers, moved between dealerships, taken to auctions, collected from auctions, sent for repairs, or transported around the country much quicker. And that's where people like me come in, the trade plate driver. The people responsible for moving thousands of vehicles around the UK every single day. Basically, if a car needs moving, we're the ones drinking questionable coffee at 6 a.m. trying to figure out which platform our train leaves from. And trust me, that's where the fun really begins. So the next time you see a vehicle driving around with those red trade plates, you'll know exactly what they are. And more importantly, you'll know there's probably a trade plate driver somewhere wondering why their train's delayed again. And if ever you thought about doing this job yourself or just want to see what life is really like as a trade plate driver, hit the subscribe button and follow along. I've got plenty more stories, disasters, dead ends, train delays and trade plate adventures coming your way. See you on the next job.